Okay, good evening students.
Good evening, sir.
Welcome for the lecture of level 1 assignment on my skills. Okay, which skill is this? Please identify. See, the Indian players are passing the ball to their own teammates. Okay, now with the pitch on between the pitch. Okay, now towards the right side of the pitch, and now back to the defender. Okay, which skill is this?
Push pass.
Okay, very good. Push pass. And now see the second video. Which skill is this?
Again push pass.
Again push pass. What is the difference between two situations?
So one is been used for passing and second is for the goal, keeping the goal.
Yes, this is what the importance of push pass. Okay, see the definition. Push pass is used to move the ball speedily over the shorter distance. छोटे छोटे डिस्टेंस में हम पास करते हैं अपने प्लेयर्स को. Okay, because it gives you most control over the ball. कंट्रोल मैनर में बॉल हम एक दूसरे को पास करते हैं. Okay, because it is best pass used for the shorter distance and gives the more accuracy. Accuracy के साथ पास करते हैं. Okay, जब गोल किया तो accuracy के साथ within the frame of goal post. Okay, it is most important skill. क्यों important skill है?
It is accurate.
It is accurate. It is controlled skill. Okay, most perform skill. Why it is most perform skill? क्योंकि ये पूरे ग्राउंड के ऊपर उसको परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं. आपके डिफेंडर ने आपके आउटर डिफेंडर को बॉल खेली है, आउटर डिफेंडर ने आपके स्ट्राइकर को बॉल खेला है. ठीक है, इवन स्ट्राइकर जो गोल स्ट्राइकिंग सर्कल में है वो पुश से गोल भी मार सकता है. ठीक है, तो एंटायर फील्ड ऑफ प्ले वेयर वी कैन यूज दिस स्किल. It is distribution skill. Most of the time, our team is passing the ball to our teammates. Distribute the pass. Defender to mid defender to the strikers to score the goal. Okay. The first is grip. Okay. Left hand firmly on the top of the stick, making V of index finger and the thumb. Okay. On the upper edge of the stick. Right hand, middle of the stick, the index finger facing downward, and holding the stick with both hands firmly.
Sir,
Yes,
sir, if the index finger, due to the ball pressure, if the index finger get twisted and will not get injured, sir.
index fingers is just to control the face of the stick. Okay, it is in European countries, these index fingers are not used. They grip they grip the hockey sticks. They are not using the index finger. Yes, Priyanka.
So can we move the right hand accordingly for the passes?
Yes. Usually the right hand is at the middle of the sticks, but according to your height, according to your height and your hockey sticks, you can move little upward or little downward. Okay. So next is body position. Both the feet apart. Okay. Body weight on the right foot. Initially, left shoulder facing the direction of the push. Knee flex, and the both feet are closed. Yes.
Sir, why should we flex our knee?
Okay. Because while we flex our knee, we have a good balance. Okay. We have a good balance of our own body. Okay. Next is ball position. Ball यहाँ पर कहाँ पर है?
Center of two legs.
Between the legs. Okay. The second point, where is the blade of the hockey stick is placed? Ball के middle of the back side of the ball. Okay. And both feet close to each other. Left in the action. Next we see the left foot step in the playing direction. जिस डायरेक्शन में जाना है वहां पर आपको वो दिखाना है. Push with your right hand, pushing action, and left hand pulling action. Okay. contact between the stick and ball, ball will stick to the blade of the hockey stick. Okay, there will not be any sound for the push. Okay, why it is important to contact? Because most of the time when you are playing, you will be surrounded by many defenders. Okay, and this is the beauty of push pass. Okay, you stick the ball with the ball and stick. That means it do not allow the opponent to catch the ball. Okay, otherwise if you lift the stick, opponent will take away the ball. Okay, so in between the crowd, you don't require to lift your stick. Okay, the follow through in playing direction to give the proper direction to the ball and to force to give your body weight in forward direction. Okay, let's see the exercise for push pass. This push pass with the partners, this A team will pass to their B partners. Okay, this is the execution of push pass. Secondly, push pass between the targets. To accurate pass, we have to pass between these two cones. That will allow to accurate passing. Okay.
So,
Yes.
so how can we improve our accuracy along with the speed in push pass?
Okay. You need to control your body. You need to control the blade of the stick, and you need to control your follow through. Then you will create accuracy in your pass. Okay. The second is push relay. Okay. The A player will push and run to join the B team. Okay. This is push relay. The fourth is push relay diagonally. When the A player will pass to the diagonal to the B player pass to the C player will pass to the D players. Okay, and in progression, where we use this skill with a little difficulty. Okay, little increased difficulty, and that is in most of the game situations. Stop. Let's see the progression where we use the skill in little complex manner. Okay, run with the ball and push to your partner. Okay, this is the progression of the skill. Okay, and the most important situation is in a game situations where everyone is passing the ball. This is the game situation. This is the game situation. Everyone is passing the ball. Okay. So most controlled manner, most accurate manner. Okay. Any questions?
So again, the advantages of push pass.
Advantage of push pass is that it covers the shorter distance. It gives you more accuracy, more controlled pass, and again, if you are in a striking circle with lot of people, lot of defenders, you can get the control over the ball. Okay, you need to just push the ball in goal post. Where in other skills we have to lift the sticks for the upward, where defender can get the ball. Okay, where we use this skill mostly
So while passing,
Scoring a goal.
scoring a goal. Okay. Next, what is the most important points to remember?
the grip.
Grip. Okay, grip and the
Body balance.
body balance, as well as
Position of
the
the ball.
position of the ball between your legs. Okay. Okay. Thank you, team, for being here.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.